And on today's episode of What Are We Up To? We're driving this giant freaking can opener down the road. Hoping to find any parked traffic. Yeah, just getting ready to go this morning. We got a problem. Have a look. The running light's here. We got a running light there. Back here, we ain't got shit. Which is problematic because we had them last night. And now we don't. I hate picking up all the dive trailers. Well, we got the tools, figure out what's going on. Good old gear wrench. And the bag of random stuff, which has multimeters, electrical tape, zip ties, all the stuff a good truck driver needs. And now we're gonna go dig and find out what any power. We need this too. We haven't got coffee yet, that's what we got. Okay, so how do we go about figuring out what's wrong? Well, all the lights are out, so it's not a light problem. It's some sort of supply. So we come down here, in this particular trailer. Like we're in a restaurant, the ground is clean. Ugh. These back panels cover up all the electrical wire. Now, this line here is our electrical feed in. And since we got a problem with the feed, the likely culprit is to open that up, see what's going on. Oh, good old gear wrench. My favorite. If you guys like one of these sets, check out my Amazon store. You gotta go to my About section where this is short. There'll be a link to that. I don't have this exact set because this one's from Tractor Supply on their Christmas holiday sale, but I got a good one that would be decent for truck drivers. Check it out. A little bit here. I'm probably going to be 13, and that, and that. That's all right. Look at that. It's going to go down. Haven't even opened up yet. We already found fuckery. Check this out. Okay, I was looking at these cables. Normally, these guys right here would be factory. They got enough wires to run everything. But somebody has run these. And we got butt connectors. And usually when you got butt connectors, you got trouble because this one, the heat shrink type, and it's sucked down tight in the wire. This one, not so much. I don't know what that wire goes to, so I open this up to see, but that might be the culprit. But if not, that already tells me that there's fuckery, so there's probably bad wiring inside of this, but we'll figure that out in a second. Oh my God. There's many much fuckery. Oh God, a lot of this, like these, it's the wrong size crimp, and it's not even heat shrunk. More wrong size. I see why our plate light doesn't fit now. I'm not even shrunk down, so yeah, got freaking wires just taped up. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut this apart and figure out what's going on. Check back with you. Oh, sweet baby Jesus, this is terrible. I got this pulled down, start looking. It's one of those ones, the more you look at it, the worse it gets. So when you have something that has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 sets of butt connectors before it even gets into the plug. It's probably time to just rewire it. But I haven't found the exact culprit yet. But I mean, we got a lot of butt connectors here. Every one of these, it's not shrunk, can be an issue. Could be a bad crimp, see, none of those shrunk down. But if you look up here, for some reason, I got this all looped around and wired together. Set wire. I gotta zoom you guys in. Actually, it's gonna, yeah. This one right here is rubbing. Yeah, guess what? Rub through. There's a lot of that. You come down here. This is one of my strobe lights. And where'd it go? Yeah, right there. Looks like that melted. Not sure it's gonna be working anymore. So I have not found our culprit yet. What I gotta take and do is take a light. I know it's a running light, which I know that's my plate light. These 3 are running lights to start following them back and fix fuckery as we go until we have lights back. I don't understand why some people struggle with electrical so bad, because this is terrible. I don't know who did this, but they should not be a mechanic. So I don't have the stuff to fix it right with me. I'm completely out of butt connector. I need to stop, get some, but we're gonna figure out what the problem is and tempi tape it now. I will catch you guys later and show you how to fix this stuff right, because this needs to be properly repaired. Well, we had to abandon that. Let me show you why. Like I said, you follow the fuckery, you find the problem. The only issue is the step deck. We got that cluster of mess right there. That is probably the problem. The only issue is my head just barely fits in here, and that's with the airbag blown up. So this is not a safe place to go at all without having jack stand stuff to put onto this trailer. Keep that from coming down and crushing. Because right now it's like 47,000 pounds. sitting on that, and I'd rather not be a pancake. So, additionally, while I was following the fucker, we also found out we got a bad brake chamber. So, fortunately for me, there's a Love's like 2 X's down, so we're gonna run up there and they can just fix everything. I already know, because I've dealt with a lot of road mechanics before, that they're not gonna do a very good job on the back of it. They'll just get it working, but it won't be right. So I'm still gonna have a video later showing you guys how to straighten up electrical. But for now, we're gonna jump on the road and head to the shop.